That's loud.
I'm so excited to film today. Hey guys, if by chance you clicked on this video and you have read the title today, I'm going to be turning my regular old jeans into bell bottoms. Yes.
Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my ass like a
I have no idea how long this video is gonna be because it's pretty straightforward. I have some jeans. I'm gonna cut them up to the knees and then open it and then get a triangle piece of material from another piece of denim and stick it in. It should not be that difficult. I found this guy. Every single pair of jeans I have has a story. This guy cinches at the butt. It goes right into my butt and I don't like it. I'ma just sacrifice them today. I hope that's not like a reflection anyway. You see? Here they go. They fit funny. I haven't even buckled them up yet.
That is not correct.
They're like low rise, I think. Okay, I think I took them in at the ankle. So I'll have to take that out, obviously. But they're not like skinny jeans. They don't scoop. They don't scoop at the ankle. Oh, this feels amazing. I haven't worn jeans in literally weeks. The place is so hot. I'm sweating. Boom, boom, pow.
Boom.
Pow.
Bam.
Bap, bap.
Pow.
This is the hem that came with the jeans. It's not the hem, period. That's not a hem. I took in my jeans when I was in high school because I wanted to be a skinny legend. I'm excited to see what other renovations I could do to clothes I have because I also have these pink Tommy Hilfiger sneakers. They were once upon a time my absolute favorite sneakers, but they're done for. They're kind of crease hair. I've been seeing these videos on YouTube of these guys, but they're like super experienced and they've been restoring old designer sneakers like Chanel sneakers with creases and stuff. They restore it back like a T and I don't know how they're doing it, but I'm gonna see if I could do like a DIY version of it. Okay, so I took out one foot. You could see where it was taken in. It was taken into like hair. Yeah, I was a skinny legend, but now we want to wide footed. Now I'm gonna take off the other foot and then I'll be back. It's time. The thing is, I don't know why I just do research and then don't reference the research while I'm applying the knowledge I've gained from the research. I just do it from memory. Okay, I do think you could see, but it's kind of crooked. I hope that's not a problem. Oh, you can see my toes. Anyways, don't talk about the fact that I'm matching my bed sheet with my pajama pants. Mind your business. I'm gonna have to bust the jeans up to the knees. I wish it was easier to just order clothes and ship them to where I live, but it would be international shipping. The price, girl. Like yesterday, I saw a $50 hoodie online and that's the thing. If it was just $50, like if I was only paying 50 US for it, I would 100% buy it. But then after shipping, it will come here. Shipping is like 30 US to here, so that's already 80 US just for a hoodie. And then when it gets here, I have to pay customs again to clear it, which is probably like 50 EC. So like, that's too much money for a hoodie. But the hoodie is so cute. It has like a trash logo here. And then on the hood, it says Dawson Doja Cat. And on the back, it says, I'm not talking about that girl. She's trash. But imagine me spending 100 US just to get a hoodie. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this open and then try to get as much material as possible to make a triangle. This is one leg of the jean alone. So I could get a decent triangle out of this. Just me and the pocket is in the way. Ooh. I got material, girl. Look at this. Yeah, it works. Yup. Perfect fit. Oh, you guys, have you watched Never Have I Ever on Netflix? It is amazing. It's by Minnie Kim. Whoever invented sewing machines needs to take it back to the drawing book and try to do something else because what? Here's my bell bottom leg. Hi, okay, so I'm about, ooh, don't touch me. You see this video like opening my windows. Flies are just coming. It's like they want a house. This is not your house. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my finished cut piece. Now I just have to sew it. It's two-tone. It's kind of cool, in my opinion. But anyways, let me show you. The pants is kind of in like a disarray, but this is the bell, and that's the bottom. So. Jeez, why did I say that? It doesn't even make any sense. So basically, I just have to turn this inside out and stitch it in. I haven't turned the inside out as yet, so here's my reaction of me turning it inside out. So I hemmed the extra piece I added. This is one leg. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen. Oh, okay. Okay. But they are bell bottoms. But I did make bell bell bottoms. Okay, pause. I can't leave this as a fail. I really can't, because they have potential, but they're just not hitting the ground. I need them to hit the ground, so I'm gonna use this. It's not denim. I'm not even sure what type of material it is, but it's pretty similar, same color, and it might be like a blend. I'm not too sure, but I'm just gonna cut off the top. It's a dress, so I guess I got a bandeau top, something. What I'm gonna be using is the bottom, so I'm gonna cut off the legs. Yeah, this can go horribly wrong, but let's just see how it goes. So I tried so hard to use the pocket. Trust me, I knew. I was like, this is gonna make the pants ridiculously long, but I just want to see how I can incorporate the pockets into the pants, because I really like the design. This is what happened. Those pants were so long. They were probably 5 inches too long, so I tried, but I really had to give it up. I had to take the pockets out. The only way I could get them to hit the ground correctly is to take the pockets out. Okay, so it's actually so hot. It'll be one big miracle if I can do this without busting my behind, because it's hot. I got on clothes. I got on full jeans pants. I know I used the same shirt for another video, but it's whatever. It's giving me some vibes. And I also have this scrunchie on my arm, and I'm wearing rollerblades and a belt. Basically, I think the style itself has a lot of potential. It's just my execution wasn't there. Like, if I was supposed to make this pants, this would be the mock-up version. Obviously, I don't have that much experience in sewing. I just had fun with it, and I really love the style of this pants. I think it reflects my style like 100%. From the pocket to the mixed fabric to the two-tone, you know, and just the bell bottom. I think it reflects my style so well, and I love it so much. Honestly, if I could make a better version of this, I would 100% wear it. Look at how she moves down the runway. Look at this. Who else got fire? And my camera actually just stopped recording. Boom, 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 pow. Boom, 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 pow. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you notice, I'm a little bit active now, so new video coming in about, give it like 2-3 days, and you know I'm there. There are hills around me, and there are houses on these hills, so like, girl.
Somewhere on a desktop leaves the zip file mixtape of the next Pac kid.